Hello, this is Mr. Lego Master 1212, and today I'm going to show you on how to make a custom Lego skateboard if you don't have one, like I don't. Get 2 of these bricks that you could get on the gurney from the ambulance set, and get one of these, or you could just fill it up with base plates. So flip it over. Stick one on one side. Oh, it just flipped over. Stick the other one on the other side. Looks like a Lego skateboard. It actually works pretty fine. And here's my custom Lego skateboarder. I made him today with a Sharpie. This is my custom Lego skateboarder. So yeah, I put him on this, and there you go. Oh. I guess now he needs the gurney. But I have a lot of Lego people. Most of them are customs. I'll show you more on that next time, including the skateboarder. And I'm going to show you on how to do some of the customs. But yeah, this was on how to make a custom skateboard. And if you have better wheels, you can use that too. Thank you for watching.